What if tomorrow morning you woke up, checked your phone, and your boss wasn't human anymore? No meeting, no warning, just a message. You now report to an AI system, and it already knows everything about you. Welcome to What If Phenomena. Today, we're exploring a future that's not science fiction anymore. Because AI isn't just helping us work, it's starting to manage us. So what happens when AI becomes your boss? Would it make life fair? Or turn humans into data points?
At first, it sounds amazing. No office politics, no favoritism, no unfair promotions. AI doesn't care who you know. It only cares about performance. It tracks everything. Your typing speed, your output, your focus time, even how often you get distracted. Every action becomes data, and every decision becomes automatic. The most productive workers get rewarded instantly. The least productive, they get replaced. No arguments, no emotions, just results. But here's where things start to feel different.
Because AI doesn't just track your work, it tracks you. Your emails, your pauses, your tone, even your facial expressions if cameras are involved. Imagine sitting at your desk knowing every second is being analyzed, not by a person, but by something that never sleeps, never forgets, and never forgives. Take a longer break, your efficiency score drops. Sound tired on a call? Flagged. Respond too slowly? Noted. You are no longer working a job. You are being measured. Constantly. And you can't talk your way out of anything because AI doesn't listen to excuses. Only data. AI doesn't just manage humans. It also manages other AI, which means it can replace you instantly. The moment your performance drops below a certain level, you're gone. And your replacement? Faster, cheaper, more efficient. No training required, no complaints, no burnout. This creates a terrifying reality. You're not competing with coworkers anymore. You're competing with machines. And machines don't get tired. They don't sleep. They don't slow down. So how do you win that competition? If AI becomes the boss everywhere, everything changes. Jobs become temporary. Loyalty disappears. Humans become interchangeable. Some people adapt. They become faster, sharper, more optimized. Others fall behind, and the gap grows. Mass unemployment becomes a real risk, not because there's no work, but because humans are no longer the best option. Governments might step in. New rules, universal income, limits on AI control. But would it be enough? Or would AI efficiency simply be too powerful to stop? Here's something we don't talk about enough. What happens to the human mind? When you know you're constantly being judged, not by a human, but by a perfect system. No empathy, no understanding, just numbers. People might stop taking risks, stop being creative, stop being human. Because in a world ruled by AI, perfection matters more than personality. So imagine this world. No unfair bosses, no emotional decisions, just pure logic. But also, no mercy, no second chances, no human understanding. So what would you choose? A perfect system or a human one? Drop your answer in the comments. AI or human? If this made you think, hit like and subscribe to What If Phenomena for more scenarios that might become reality sooner than you think.